Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Confirm your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the Google Home device and signed into the correct Google account. Open the Google Home app. Once it loads, locate the device tile for the speaker or display you want to rename. Tap that tile to open device settings. This first step gets you into the device controls quickly so you can change the name without toggling networks or accounts, which often causes the app not to show all devices. Once in the device view, tap the gear icon to open device settings. This is where the name field lives. Select the name field, delete the existing name, and type the new name you want. Keep it concise and unique so Assistant reliably recognizes it. After typing, make sure to tap Save or Done. If you have multiple devices, repeat for each one. This method changes the label the app and Google Assistant use, which is why finish by tapping Save or Done and return to the main Google Home screen to confirm the tile shows the new name. Once saved, verify with voice. Say, "Hey Google, what's your name?" or give a simple command using the new name. If the name doesn't update, restart the Google Home device and force close the app, then reopen. Make sure you're on the same Google account and Wi-Fi. These troubleshooting steps fix the common sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.